So over time, you may upload medias onto your post. And for all of the medias, what actually happens is that they get collected out in the media section of your WordPress page. So over here, I am in the WordPress dashboard. And in order to go ahead and work around with WordPress media, I need to go around onto the media section around over here. And you can see that you see all of the media around over here. And then you can see the media shows up. So what you can do is you can simply go around and then, let's say for example, change the thumbnail size right here, and you can see all the media right here just like this. You can also go ahead and add new media right here via URL, or click right here to go around and then upload out a media of your choice as well, just like this. So this is what you have. And you can also filter out the media by images, as you can see right here, by documents. If you have any documents, it'll show up right here. Then you got videos. Now, for that you need an upgraded account, and then you get audio as well. And this is what you have, and you can see that you also have access to Google Photos, Pixels, and OpenVerse free photos right here, just like this. And then what you can also do is you can search for images. Let's say for example, if I were to go around and type in TutuTube right here, then relevant media will actually pop up right here. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the media settings inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.